Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet baby bag for toddler baby girls. This is a small sized purse. For this crochet project, I am using a 5mm steel crochet hook size and a 3-ply baby soft yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains for this project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way, we would make almost 10 inches long chain. 9 or 10 inches would be enough for the size I am making. So now, make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into the third chain from the hook. Draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again. Go into the next chain. Draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then go into the third chain. Make a double crochet stitch into it. First 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. Make a double crochet. Then in each of the next chains, just one regular double crochet stitch in every chain. Complete these double crochet stitches till the end except the last chain. So I have made all double crochet stitches here, and in our last chain here we would make 6 double crochet stitches to make it round from one side. So double crochet 1, we would use stitch markers for this round pattern. So here make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6. So we have 6 double crochet stitches in this last chain. Now the second last chain from the other side, we would start working in it. Make a double crochet, then make a double crochet from the other side of the next chain. So attach stitch marker in the first stitch of these 6 double crochet stitches which we have made in our last chain. Then into this 6th one, place stitch marker. Now we would make double crochets in every chain where we have made double crochets from the other side already. Just make simple regular double crochet stitches in each of the chains. Repeat it till the end. So here in the end, this is our last double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet in this last double crochet stitch, and now we have chain 3 here, and this is also counted as a double crochet. So in this first chain, in this chain 3, we would make a double crochet. So this is our last double crochet stitch for this round. Now Start the other round with 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Turn up the work, skip very first double crochet stitch here, go into the next one and make a double crochet stitch into it. Then make a double crochet into the next stitch, then into the next one, make a double crochet, and in this way we would make simple regular double crochet stitches in each of these next double crochet stitches till the place where our stitch marker is placed. Now we would work in these stitches, which are 6 stitches. So in this very first stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So place the stitch marker in this first stitch, go into the next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. In the next stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2. Again in the next one, double crochet 1, double crochet 2. Then this is our 5th stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. Remove the stitch marker. This is our 6th stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 in this same stitch, and then place the stitch marker in this stitch. Now in the very next stitch, make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet. Repeat this process till the end. Right here I have made all stitches. Now our last stitch would be in 3rd chain like the previous first row. So make a double crochet in this 3rd chain, make 3 chains, turn up the work, skip 1 stitch, go into the second one, make a double crochet. So this is the same process for every round. Our last stitch would be in 3rd chain, then we would make 3 chains to start the next round, and by skipping 1 stitch we would start working in the second one and we would make double crochets in each of the next stitches till the stitch marker place. Here we would make our increasing pattern. Remove the stitch marker. In this very first stitch, make 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches like this. Place the stitch marker in this first stitch again. Next stitch is our simple stitch. Make 1 double crochet stitch in it. In the next one, we would make an increasing stitch again. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 in this same stitch. Next one is again our simple stitch. Make 1 double crochet stitch in it. Then into the next one, make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and then 2. So repeat this process till this stitch where next stitch marker is placed. So now remove this stitch marker. We have 2 double crochet stitch in the previous stitch. Make 1 double crochet in it and place the stitch marker again and start making simple double crochet stitches till the end of this round, and go back for the next round till the place where next stitch marker is placed. So here is our next stitch marker. We would make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Place the stitch marker in first one Now these two stitches are simple. Make one double crochet in each. Double crochet one in the first stitch, then double crochet two in the second stitch. These are two simple stitches. And third stitch is our increasing stitch. Again make double crochet one and then double crochet two. Again next two stitches are simple without any increase. Make double crochet one in the first one, double crochet two into the second one, and into the third one make two double crochet stitches in the same stitch, double crochet one and then double crochet two. So repeat this process till this next stitch marker place. Remove the stitch marker and make a double crochet stitch into it, because the pattern is two double crochet in same stitch and next two stitches are simple without any increase. Place this stitch marker again, make all double crochet stitches till the next and back to the stitch marker place. Remove the stitch marker again. Start working by making two double crochet stitches in this stitch, double crochet one and then double crochet two in this same stitch. Place the stitch marker in this very first stitch of these two double crochet stitches. Now these three stitches are simple. Make one double crochet in the first one double crochet in the second one and one double crochet in the third one. These three simple stitches without any increase, and this is our fourth stitch. Now make double crochet one and then double crochet two in this stitch. Next three stitches are again simple stitches. Make double crochet one, double crochet two and then double crochet three. Next in the next stitches, fourth one is our increasing stitch. Again make double crochet one and then double crochet two into the same stitch. Repeat it till the place where next stitch marker is placed. Then make simple double crochet stitches in next stitches and the next round. I am showing you how to make the next round from stitch marker place. Remove the stitch marker, make double crochet one and then double crochet two in this same stitch. Then next four stitches are simple stitches. Make double crochet one in first one, double crochet one in the second one, double crochet one time in the third one, double crochet one in the fourth one, like this. And now this is our fifth stitch. Make double crochet one and then double crochet two into this same stitch. So this is our pattern. Four stitches are simple. Every fifth stitch is our increasing stitch. Repeat it till the next stitch marker is placed and complete this round till the end. So our patch is ready. I have made all stitches. Now pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Weave it with the help of this tapestry needle. So I have just placed stitch markers on equal distance of stitches to join these two sides together. So now we would join these sides with the help of crochet hook by making single crochet stitches. So attach this yarn in corner stitch like this. And now we would join these two sides together. We would just make single crochet in these two stitches which are facing each other of these two sides. So make single crochet like this. You just have to take care you don't skip any stitch from behind. So make single crochets in every stitch till the place where stitch marker is placed. So I have joined these two sides together. Now we would make single crochets on this upper side of our purse. So make single crochet in every stitch simply. Working in both loops. So make single crochet stitches at this middle point. You can just see that this is middle point by just using this tapestry needle and pointing it towards the middle. So this is our buttonhole. Make 5 chains for the buttonhole and then make a single crochet simply in the next stitch like this. Then make a single crochet in the next stitch, then into the next one. So make single crochet stitches in every stitch and join the other side with the same process as well till the end. So I have joined these two sides. Now we would attach button here and we would attach this tassel with beads which I have made, and we would make chain strap with 2 yarn strands for this purse as well. So make a slip knot of this yarn first and then we would join this yarn at this corner. So join this yarn and start making chains. You can use a bigger size crochet hook to make chains with these two strands as well. If you want to make your chains more tight, you can use the same crochet hook as well. So make chains according to your length of strap you want to make. So I have woven all the yarn ends and purse is ready. So I hope you guys like it. Give it big thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.